If you missed the last video, I was invited by a local man named Roger to explore a night market in the old part of Taipei. He showed me some of the unique meats that are sold here, and this even includes snake. We sat down and had a typical Taiwanese meal while having an interesting conversation about culture. We finished the evening by having a unique ice dessert, which translates as treasure ice. In today's video, I traveled to a place called Keelung, where I met a local woman who was willing to show me the popular night market in her area. Let's begin. Welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm with Cindy. We are in Keelung.
Yeah.
And it's about 5 o'clock. We're next to the sea at the port. Tell me about Keelung. I don't know anything. I just arrived just recently.
I think Keelung is a very beautiful city, yeah, who is surrounded by the ocean. If you just enter Keelung, you can see a large ocean just surrounded by you. And this port is very beautiful. If you just want to relax, you can go here and relax yourself.
It says Keelung, and I'm sure you can only read it if you go way out to the ocean. Yeah. 'Cause that's a G right there.
And so many travelers just take the cruise ship or ship. They just enter here and
I read about that online. Yeah. There's a cruise ship that comes and docks. I don't know where they get on and off, but
later.
Okay, over there.
So maybe they just take a rest here, and the traveler will just go down the boat and go traveling everywhere.
Cool. I'm following you. Where do we go?
Well, I think maybe we just go to the night market now.
Let's go to the night market now. Awesome, so here we are at the Keelung Night Market. We're just gonna kind of walk through here and see what we can find. It's like we entered the meal section.
Actually, you can find something to eat every time, maybe in the morning.
In the morning, you can come here for breakfast?
In the afternoon, at night, even in the midnight. It's very easy to you to grab something food here. Yeah, it's a very famous night market in Taiwan. How about we start from there?
Oh, you want to go back there?
Yeah, because that's why it's very famous.
Huh?
Yeah.
What is this? I got cut off by a tape measure. No matter where I go, I'm in the way. We're gonna sit here?
Yeah, in the night market, you have to try to find some seats to sit.
Are you?
Yeah, we try to list and I just order, okay?
What do we get? It looks like rice and mushrooms, I think.
Glutinous rice.
Yeah.
In Taiwan. How do you call this?
Just rice. That's it.
Why?
I don't know.
But it's made from glutinous, so why don't you need to say that?
I don't know. We just don't usually say it that way.
Yeah, but this one, number 5 is very famous for this food. Yes.
Okay. I like the texture.
So tell me, do you want to add spicy sauce? No.
Definitely not. Maybe I'll try a piece.
And this one, it's also hard to experience. It's called clam soup. But it's soup.
Like clap?
Again?
Or clam. Okay, so these are clams.
But also it's very hard to experience. Do you call that clam soup?
Yeah, clam soup. Yeah, it's very thick, very chewy. It's kind of mixed between a regular rice and a sticky rice, somewhere in the middle. It's really good.
Does it taste like rice dumpling? It's not spicy. You can.
I don't know what a rice dumpling tastes like, but I'm gonna try this. Let's try it.
Rice dumpling, just several days you just had before. Do you remember the 粽子? No?
粽子. Yeah.
Does it taste like 粽子? Yeah.
I think I like this one a little bit more.
Really? Yeah, good.
All right, let's try some of this really fast.
Yeah, it's also very famous. Every time I come to night market, this shop is always crowded. Always so many people just waiting for grab some food.
Is this a piece of clam?
Yeah.
I don't know. A little crunchy.
Why?
It's really good. I don't know. It's pretty cool just to wander through here. So many lights, so much happening right now. It's pretty cool.
This is a very huge night market because go there you can find something food to eat. Go there you can find some food to eat. You have several kinds of choices. And this one, how about this one? I think this one is also very famous. I like this one. After we just have some soup and rice, how about try this one?
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, but after I just tried how to say that, but it's also very hard.
That looks very, very unique.
Really?
Yeah, it looks good. I don't know what it is, but I say we try it. So it's like this giant block of, I don't even know what it is. What is it?
Yeah, it's just made from rice, and you just use some, I don't know, just cook some unique method and to make like this. I think you can just call it just kind of a rice cake. I think it's very hard for you to. Okay, yeah.
Hello. Oh wow, that is totally not at all what I expected. I expected this to be like sweet or something. Nope.
No, it's savory.
Savory. Yeah, it's like a very salty. Let me taste that again. I was so shocked.
Is that good? It's not bad, right? It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's like a salty, ketchupy, interesting taste. I don't know how to describe it. Awesome. So we just finished up with this rice jello thing. It's very different than what I anticipated. It was like ketchup and salt. I was expecting something sweet. Anyway, so now what's next?
Since we are full, so maybe we just cleaning around and just see so many kinds of food
I'm starting to
on
get
the street. Yeah. So in night market is also one very famous food. It's just layer, and you see there some people like just take a line.
Oh yeah.
Because this store just famous for its noodles and the flavor is curry. So there are so many people just willing to go here and try this. They just waiting a line to test it. There are so many people just there. After 7, I think there are so many people just waiting here and they just want to try this.
Wow.
Okay.
We can go in there and play games. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Like arcades.
Yes.
I haven't seen an arcade in the United States since I was like a child. And even they were getting outdated when I was a child.
But you can just find some place you can play board games or computer games in Taiwan.
Really?
Okay, good.
So I could go to like a place and just hang out for an afternoon and play video games?
If it's rainy, you want to do this? Yeah.
Wow.
Are you good at this?
Maybe. And it's so weird, there's like nowhere to walk. They use the sidewalks to eat, and so the people have to walk on the street along with the motorbikes and the cars, so it's really hard to
But
navigate.
actually, after 7 or 8 or 9, there are just not allowed cars to drive on these streets. Yeah, so you'll be more safe.
Oh, I missed my bike from back home.
Yes, okay.
Really cool, I like the lights.
Yeah,
Can I go over here?
This
Let's do it.
another section. Just what I mentioned is very huge.
Oh, the smells are so good through here.
Have you ever tried this? It's just like
it's a
fried
whole-
chicken, but it's just made
I
from
don't know if you can see, but that's
duck.
basically a whole duck head down there. A whole duck head. It's looking at me.
Can you eat this or no? Do you?
A duck head? Like what would you eat?
I don't
Just
eat
eat the
meat.
eyeballs or what?
I don't know. They will eat the meat.
There's no meat on a duck,
Yeah,
on a duck
little.
face? There's like nothing there.
Yes, you can try. So, do you eat pig blood?
No, I did, but I don't eat it. But I did eat it when I was in mainland China. That stuff. No, thank you.
Have you ever tried this oyster omelette?
Oyster.
Oyster.
No. Damon, if you are listening right now, I'm waiting for you to fly to meet me here to have oysters with me. Oh yeah, look over here. This is Damon's. Damon flew to Greece to meet me, and we tried to find oysters, but we couldn't. He was going to have me try oysters. So now I won't eat oysters until I meet him together, and then I will try oysters with him. A YouTube follower of mine who kind of flew all the way to Greece to meet me. So when I try oysters for the first time, it has to be with him. So there's so much meat, those sausages.
Yeah, it's kind of like Taiwanese sausage. It's not like French sausage. It's just like Taiwanese sausage.
Okay.
Taiwanese sausage is not like.
I don't know, but that looks epic. That looks like a perfect spot for me, but I'm full.
Yeah, I know. It's not hot dog,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's shrimp,
Oh god,
clam.
those are huge.
Yeah. Have you ever tried dumplings?
Probably. I'd have to see a photo. I'd have to see the.
Dumplings. No? Just small
Yeah, I
one.
think so. I think so.
In Taiwan, I think foreigners like to eat dumplings because some of my friends they just come from foreign country. They always ask me to take them to try some dumplings.
Dumplings are the simple, easy thing.
Why?
It's not too scary. Like a duck face. Eat duck face over there. That's a bit intimidating.
Duck head, not duck face.
Well,
Duck
the
head.
face is part of the head.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, definitely.
Oh, that's a bad smell. That's stinky tofu.
Yeah.
Oh, that's terrible. It smells like
Why?
rotten feet.
You can eat it?
Maybe I will. I'm going to try it in Taiwan. I'll make a video about me trying stinky tofu. Yeah. But
There are so many things.
not
I
tonight.
haven't seen this before. It's not from Taiwan. It's from Vietnam.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Except food, you also can buy some, sneakers. And
Sneakers?
Socks.
Socks?
Yeah, socks and sneakers. Wait a
Okay.
minute. Sneakers and socks.
Electronics.
Yeah, and some shirts, and also you can play again. Do you know this? You each have to
No
enter $10 Taiwanese dollar and you can play it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can play some games over here. Watch this little kid.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him go! Look at him go! Yeah.
Traditional games. In the night market, you also can find some games to play. Yeah, just
Wow.
enjoy your time.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, and something like this, it's just called mahjong, in Taiwan.
yeah,
And
yeah,
that's,
yeah.
you can play it.
I
and
played this. I did it when I was in China. I don't remember how to play it.
You just
but-
play it. And someone just tell you are lose. And then you have to give them so much money. Yeah. And have you ever tried this one?
Is it a tomato?
Yeah,
Looks like
here. Some tomatoes, some fruits.
yeah, and the other one was strawberry. I think.
Yeah, strawberry and grape, I think.
Oh my great.
And they will just use some hot
yeah.
sugar to make it tasty good. So that's all. That's all
That's
for the
cool.
night market.
That's
Just like
okay.
this, and yeah.
Very fun.
I think you have tried this in mainland, right? Something
one?
like this. This. Because
Probably.
it's very popular in mainland, right? Like just a bread, bun, bun.
I probably did. I just don't remember everything.
Go. Let's
we're
go. Let's go.
Awesome. So that was fun. We just finished up walking through the majority of the night market, and now we, I don't know, going to the river.
It's not very clean, but it's very important. It's just only one river, just inside the Keelung city.
How do you say Yuyom? Are you swimming?
Yo-yo.
Yuyom.
No one swimming here.
You don't want to go swimming here?
No,
1, 2,
it's
3,
not
jump.
clean. It's not clean. No,
Zopa?
no, 走吧. No. If we just go there and the policeman will just say something to us.
Oh, really? They won't even let you swim.
He will think you are insane.
Oh,
you are
insane.
weird.
Yeah, it does
You're
look
out of
pretty,
your mind.
It does look pretty dirty. I'm not sure I would swim here. Every country that I go to, the night markets are slightly different. This one was unique. I like it. It was fun. And I'm full. Are you full?
Yeah.
I'm full.
Yes.
Anyway, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living. Take care.